What are things exactly made of? What are the basic fundamental constituents making up everything in the world around us? Let's look at an apple, for example. An apple is made up of tiny atoms. Every atom is made up of electrons orbiting a nucleus. The nucleus is further made up of tiny particles called protons and neutrons. Protons are made up of even tinier particles called quarks. Small particles like electrons, quarks, and neutrinos cannot be further broken down. These are therefore called the fundamental particles. However, string theory challenges this idea, hypothesizing that fundamental particles such as electrons, quarks, and neutrinos that make up matter are actually tiny strands of vibrating energy called strings. A string can oscillate in different ways to create different vibrational patterns. Let's look at a guitar, for example. A single guitar string can create different vibrational patterns or frequencies, meaning it could create different musical notes. Just like a guitar string, different notes or different vibrational patterns in strings corresponds to different particles that make up all the stuff in the universe. One type of vibrational pattern may determine an electron, while a different type of vibrational pattern may determine a quark. Another type of vibrational pattern may determine a neutrino. In modern physics, our understanding of the universe is based on two separate theories. Einstein's theory of general relativity helps us understand how big objects, such as planets, stars, and galaxies, behave, depicting a stable, smooth view of the universe on a large scale. Quantum mechanics helps us understand how tiny objects, such as particles, behave, depicting an unpredictable, discrete view of the universe at a subatomic scale. However, we cannot have two different sets of rules to how things work. We need a unifying theory that can explain how all objects work in the universe under the same set of theory. Therefore, scientists believe that string theory could be the unifying theory because all forces and matters are described by a single fundamental entity that can take on a variety of forms under the rubric of vibrating strings. Currently, there is no experimental evidence to prove that string theory is true. However, string theory hopes to resolve this conflict and hopes to become the unifying theory that will help solve the deepest mysteries of the universe.